I'm Rachel Pomeroy and I'm from New Zealand, and I'm a lover of stars. I make all the biodynamic preparations, and I've travelled around in India and New Zealand with teaching and sharing about biodynamic agriculture and also star mythologies of the Maori people, and also in India some of the stories and connections between stars and plants. In New Zealand it's heavily dairy farming with a big export industry, and there's a huge pressure on the environment from that style of high intensity productive farming, so much deterioration in waterways and groundwater. Well, we know that biodynamics could easily be the answer, and that cows definitely can be part of the cure for the problem if managed in the right way, but the power to change a huge corporate sort of structure like that's the big challenge. That is a social question rather than biodynamics, really. I mean, we know biodynamics can easily fix it if you've got farmers on board who want to do it, or it needs a social climate change to bring about that change. My personal vision for the future agriculture in New Zealand is that we would have a land where, as the traditional Maori picture is, where the people are in touch with the land, they're respecting all aspects of it, the whole history and culture associated with the land, and treat it, Mother Earth, in a loving way. And we already know amongst Maori farmers and growers that they love the biodynamic methods because it fits so readily, and in the current times that extra force that's needed to actually convert land and make it into productive organic biodynamic land, that's a tool to do it in a very respectful way.